Hello friends, myself CA Vijay Mittal. I welcome all the viewers in the today's session on behalf of Team Professional Gyan Kendra. Friends, today we will discuss about the power of search and seizure under GST law. First of all, I would like to discuss about the section or rule that deals with search and seizure under GST law. Section 67 of the CGST Act 2017 read with Rule 139 of the GST Rule 2017. Who has the power of search and seizure under GST law? An officer not below the rank of Joint Commissioner, means a Joint Commissioner has the power of search and seizure under GST, or he may authorize his subordinate for the same, means he can authorize his subordinate, his junior, for the search and seizure of the goods or documents or books of account. I am discussing here three words. Number one, goods. Second, documents or books of account. If they think that these goods, documents or books of account will help in a legal proceeding under GST law, in that case they can have the power to seize goods, documents or books of account. There should be a proper reason to believe for the same, means there should be proper reasons to believe that there is a need to confiscate the goods or seize the documents or books of account. First of all, friends, we will discuss about the goods. If the Joint Commissioner or he authorized his subordinate believes that some goods has been secreted at any place and these goods are helpful in the legal proceedings under the GST law, and if it is not possible to confiscate the goods, in that case they can serve a notice to the concerned person not to remove the goods or otherwise deal with the goods without the prior permission of the proper officer. मीन्स कहने का मतलब है, अगर उनको लगता है गुड्स ये लीगल प्रोसीडिंग्स में हेल्प कर सकते हैं, देन दे कैन कॉन्फिस्केट द गुड्स, और अगर ये प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल नहीं है टू कॉन्फिस्केट द गुड्स, इन दैट केस दे कैन सर्व नोटिस to the concerned person not to remove the goods or otherwise deal with the goods without the prior permission of the proper officer. Now friends, I want to tell about the time limit for retention of goods or confiscation of goods. अगर goods को confiscate किए हुए 6 months हो गए हैं and till now they did not get any valid evidence for the legal proceedings from these goods, in that case they have to return the goods to the concerned person from whom these goods has been seized or confiscated. This period of 6 months can be further extended for another 6 months. It is the discretionary power of the GST department. कहने का पर्पस है फ्रेंड्स, अगर गुड्स की वजह से कोई हेल्प नहीं मिलती है, मीन्स these are not helpful in the legal proceedings, in that case they have to return the goods to the concerned person. मीन्स 1 साल तक वो रिटेन करके रख सकते हैं, पहले 6 मंथ्स के लिए. अगर उनको लगता है 6 मंथ्स और रिटेन करने हैं, in that case that period of 6 months can be further extended to another 6 months. Now friends, we will discuss about the nature of goods. If the nature of the goods are perishable or hazards in nature, in that case GST law authorize the proper officer to dispose of the goods, and proper officer has to maintain a proper record of the goods that are being disposed of. ये डिस्पोजिशन की पावर GST लॉ प्रॉपर ऑफिसर को देता है. वो तभी देता है इफ द गुड्स आर हैजर्ड्स इन नेचर. नंबर 2, if they are perishable in nature. Number 3, if there are lack of space for the storage of the goods in the department. And number 4, if the goods will reduce or depreciate their value with the passage of time. In that case, GST will authorize the proper officer to dispose of the goods, and proper officer has to maintain proper records. Another point, friends, I would like to discuss about search and seizure. Power to seal or break the doors of the premises where the access is denied. मीन्स अगर कोई प्रीमाइस है जहां पे एक्सेस डिनाइड है एंड proper officer or the joint commissioner thinks that some goods or documents or books has been secreted, those are helpful in the legal proceedings under the GST law. In that case, proper officer has the power to seal the premises or to break the doors of the premises to help in the legal proceedings. Now friends, I would discuss about the seizure in case of documents or books of account. If the proper officer thinks that some document or books are being secreted at any place, in that case they can seize those documents or books of account if they think that it will help in the legal proceedings under GST law. If documents or books of accounts has been seized, but up to 30 days they did not issue a notice to the concerned person, means if they did not get any help within 30 days, then they have to return the goods to the concerned person. If the proper officer thinks that any document or books of account has been secreted at any place which are helpful in the legal proceedings, in that case they can seize the documents or the books of account, but they can retain these documents or books of account up to 30 days with himself. मीन्स अगर 30 days तक उनको कोई हेल्प नहीं मिलती है, in that case they have to return the documents or books of account to the concerned person. Friends, now I will discuss about what is the right or the power of the assessee or the dealer in relation to documents or books of account. Dealer can take the photocopy of the documents or the books of account that has been seized, or can take the extracts of the documents that has been seized by the proper officer. Friends, these two things can happen in the presence of the proper officer and at the time and place where the proper officer authorizes. Friends, here I would also like to tell you that if the proper officer thinks that it will adversely affect the proceedings of the case, in that case he can deny for the photocopy and extracts of the documents and records. Friends, at last I would like to give a conclusion of this video. We have discussed here confiscation of goods. गुड्स को 6 months तक वो कॉन्फिस्केट कर सकते हैं और फर्दर उसको 6 months तक एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं. सेकंड फ्रेंड्स, सीजर ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट्स और द बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स. बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट को 30 days तक वो कॉन्फिस्केट कर सकते हैं या सीज कर सकते हैं. अगर 30 days तक हेल्प नहीं मिलती है, इन दैट केस दे हैव टू return these documents to the concerned person. At last friends, I would also like to tell that the provisions of Code of Criminal Proceedings 1973 will get also applicable in relation to search and seizure. With these words friends, I would like to say thank you for watching the video, and I hope that it will be informative and useful to all the viewers. We will meet again with the new video. Till then, namaskar, dhanyavad.